Hi, Kat! Happy birthday! We wish you good health, more blessings, and success in your future endeavors. Enjoy your day!
Jacqueline, happy birthday. Tagas ka untang taas ka kinabuhi hatag Ginoo pa rin.
Hi, Ate Kathleen. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Kat. Happy birthday. I just wanted to take this moment to say how thankful I am for you. You've always been there for Najel through the hard days, her surgery, and when she wasn't feeling well. Your love and support don't go unnoticed. I hope your birthday is filled with joy, love, and good things you deserve. Enjoy your day, Ate Kat. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Kathleen! It's your special day. Enjoy. God bless you always. Bye-bye. Mama. Chup chup.
Bye-bye. Happy birthday, Ate Kathleen.
Happy birthday! Friends like you are a blessing, and I'm forever grateful to have you by my side. Happy birthday, Kat! God bless you! More birthdays! Love you!
Hi Ate Kat, happy birthday to you. I wish you more candles and blessings to come and good health always, and thank you for being happy to me, and happy birthday to you. I love you.
Hi, Ate Kat! Happy birthday! Take Tony, actually. I'm with Cedric.
Hi! Happy birthday, ate! Happy birthday!
Sorry na, dugay nag-submit kay na busy. Mag ako gorillas nga mo-submit ani nga greetings. Anyway, happy birthday, Ate Kat, and I wish you all the best in life.
Happy birthday!
And hope healthier all the way through. Wow. And yeah, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Amping Permi!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Hi, Anyang. Happy birthday. Bisa gabi na, mag-ati para sa ako. Bitaw, enjoy your day, and I miss you. I miss you both ni Anyong.
Hello, Kathleen Day. Happy birthday. Thank you so much for the friendship, and thank you for always being a reminder that I am not alone. Kay every time mo chat ko ninyo, Nigel, at update kayo mo day. Labig pa ninyo ako mo mag-update kayo mo check. O mapraning dayon mo, kay hunahuna na ninyo na unsan ako. But thank you so much. I am always reminded nga I am very much safe basta na ako sa Cebu because of you guys. Thank you kay even though wala tayo communication, like sometimes hatang pa-communicate because of the busy life, work, family, and sometimes nata magkita kay Cebu Bohol, you know, pero always gihapon mo na adiha para nako. So thank you so much, and I am very much happy to what you have reached right now nga unsa mo na-achieve in life. Before aturan ng mga kanang alingot dito, or aturan ng istorya-istoryaan nga hopefully someday makatrabaho ta, at the same time maka-provide tag time for our kids. But now look, pareha na ta VA, so we can provide, and at the same time we have time for our kids, which is very much, I feel so very blessed, and I'm happy that my friends are also blessed. So thank you so much for the friendship. Hopefully dili ra ni hantod karon, hopefully until we grow old kay naagihapon mo guys for me, and I will always be here for you. So thank you so much, and I wish you good health para ni Ike, and also I wish you more blessings, more travels, and at the same time more travel with us, kami nila coach, or maybe kita tulo if possible. So I am very much happy na maka-provide ko og inganing message for your birthday, because feel na ko kay VIP. Charot. Happy birthday! I love you. Bye-bye.
생일 축하합니다. Peeler. Happy birthday, Zay! Dili kay ko comfy jud mag video no, pero kay ikaw man, no? Lakas man. Happy birthday anyway. Niabot na jud ta sa point sa atong life no nga. Ano bitong murag dili na ta murag dili na ta nagbongga-bongga nga mga hikay ba. No, murag ang pinaka-importante na lang jud nato ano kay kanang basko nga panglawas. Murag kana bang blessings na lang Lord, kanang grateful ka nga niabot ka sa yun nga edad, nga surrounded ka with people nga nagmahal nimo, nagpalikod nimo, no, murag more of gratefulness and kuan ra jud gihapon no, magpray ra ta nga sa protection gihapon no, nga ilayo tas mga unfortunate o kanang mga dili maayo nga mga panghitabo. So mao sad na ang akong wish para nimo nga kana just keep on moving forward, ibili na ang mga past nga unpleasant nga experiences no, nga move forward jud ta with a positive outlook in life. Padayon na ta sa tong life day no, and thankful ko nga naa ko'y mga friends nga parehas nimo Nigel nga despite sa distance nga dugay tagsa-tagsa ra magkita pero ang kuan ang closeness kay maintain jud nato no. I'll see you guys soon. Okay ba kung dire or diha sa Cebu? Pero anyway, amping mo diha, and once again, happy birthday, Kathleen Jai! Bye! Kay wala na ako day 2 na ako sa akong driving lessons today.
Hi Kat, ang Catherine Bernardo sa Sambag. Happy birthday Kat. Itubo lagi ang imong edad pero ikaw murag o pa ka nitubo. Well, kidding aside, Kat, thank you for being a good friend, and I know how kind and thoughtful you are. I wish you good health and for you, for Nigel, and for Ike, and of course peace of mind and the love that you deserve today and forevermore. Happy birthday, Kat, and love you.
Happy birthday, Kat!
Hi, Kat. Happy birthday. I wish you more happiness in life. Oh, more happiness to live to love life. And continue being a good mother to us. Continue prosperity and longevity and good health. So, asa man tayo ni birthday ni mo? Panlibris man no ka.
Hi, Kath. Happy birthday. Good health and good always. Yeah, see you soon.
Hi, Mami Kat. Happy birthday, me. I am so grateful to have a friend like you. May this year bring new blessings, success, and beautiful memories. I miss you, Ming. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hi, Kat. Happy birthday, diha. Salamat ninyo ni Nigel for the friendship over the years. Unta, tagaan ka kanunay sa Ginoo o baskog nga panlawas o daghan pa ng mga birthdays sa imong kinabuhi. Amping mo kanunay ni Nigel o enjoy mo uban sa inyong pamilya today. Okay? Happy birthday, Kat. Bye.
Hi, Kat. Happy birthday. I wish you, of course, success and good health. And I just want to say thank you for staying long sa house. I know there are a lot of kakulian, but grabe kay mo kas masinabtanon duha ni Naj. I thank you for that and more blessings. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kat! I hope you enjoy your day and stay pretty. Thank you for the friendship.
Hello, Kat. Happy birthday. I have so many things to be thankful for, especially to be there on Najel's side when she needed someone most. So, your bravery and compassion were so inspirational. Wishing you a good health and all the blessings you deserve. Happy, happy, happy birthday.
Hi, Ate. Happy birthday. Thank you for all the things that you've done for us, for our family, especially namong duha ni Faith. Some people may not have seen it, but I've seen all the efforts that you put into for the people you love. Thank you sa mga hangyos and sa mga times nga magpakuyo ko and sa mga times po nga gipakuyo po ninyo. Our bond served as somewhat an escape from reality for us. I wish you all the best in life, all the happiness in the world. And I also want to say that don't be too hard on yourself, and it's okay to choose yourself. Don't be guilty about it because you've suffered enough. I will treasure all the memories that we've shared, and I am very blessed to have you both ni Ate Najel sa akong life. I pray that you will heal from the things that have hurt and drained you. Again, happy birthday! Hi T, happy birthday. Thank you kaayo sa imong kaayo diri namo duha ni Precious Day. Thank you for letting us experience the things that we haven't experienced before. Ug bisan pa man sa mga nahitabo recently, I pray that you stay strong and continue to keep your kind heart. And I appreciate all the advices that you've given us, especially from you and Ate Najel. And grateful jud kayo mi nga naamo ti nga masampit na mo. And I hope nga i-bless pa jud mo maayo ni God. And that's all. And again, happy birthday, Ate Kat.
Hi Ate Kat, I would like to greet you a happy birthday, and I would also like to thank you ninyong duha ni Ate Najel for welcoming me sa inyong balay, and I hope nga makita na po tabalik ninyong pohon kay nalingaw jud ko ato pag last time, and I hope to see you guys next time po. And Ate Kat, I hope you enjoy your day, and thank you so much po.
Birthday Ate Kat, I hope that you will have a fun, great, and amazing day sa imong birthday Ate. I hope Ate in the near future na makabanding pa mi ninyo ni Precious Ate. And thank you kay Ate for accepting me and letting me in your humble house. And thank you kay Ate for putting your trust in me to protect Precious May Ate. Once again Ate, happy birthday to you.
Kat, happy birthday. You're probably wondering kinsa ka sa? Well, we haven't officially met yet, but I'm Ton, friend ni Nigel. Anyway, I wish you all the happiness. Enjoy sa imong day, and hopefully we'll get to meet in person soon. Amping mo guys, bye.
Hi Kat, happy birthday. I know you're not expecting this, but ako din, I'm not expecting this as well. Char. Anyway, since you are a very special person sa life ni Boss Nudge, I'm gonna do this for you and for her. So yeah, happy birthday, wishing you all the best in life, happiness, good health, more birthdays, and lots of great moments this year, and not just this year, all the time, I hope. Yes, all the best. All the best. Yun lang, enjoy your birthday and hoping to meet you soon. Wow. Yun lang, happy birthday again. Long live.
Hello Kat, I'm wishing you a very happy birthday, and may the good Lord continue to bless you from spiritual, physical, and financial blessings. Enjoy, and once again, happy birthday. Ta-da!
Happy birthday, Tan.
I wish that you will be and blessings from the Lord, and thank you for the sacrificing.
Ako sa dang, thank you sad sa patience namo ni Dodong, and happy birthday kayo. Stay maldita and good health kanimo. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday,
princess.